What makes an MHP grill? When MHP grill owners are asked, the most common answers are the castings and that they are manufactured in the USA. We invite you to take a look into the manufacturing process to see how our MHP grill castings are individually manufactured in America. The permanent mold casting process starts with the melting of aluminum to 1221 degrees Fahrenheit. During this time, the mold and core assembly are also heated. Once the aluminum, which is known for its versatility and corrosion-resistant properties, is heated to the correct temperature, a ladle is dipped into the melted aluminum and then slowly poured into the MHP casting mold to form the top and bottom grill castings, to remove air pockets, and to distribute the molten aluminum evenly throughout the mold. The permanent mold castings are placed into a rotating gravity-fed machine to distribute the molten aluminum evenly, to remove air pockets, and to create a uniform thickness. Permanent mold castings can be made stronger and more accurate than other popular methods, such as die or sand casting. While aluminum is known for its versatility and corrosion-resistant properties, this process and material choice allows us to create a lightweight and extremely durable end product that lasts for years. Once several rotations have been completed, the grill casting is left to briefly cool and set before being hand-released from the mold. After the removal, the casting is sent down the line to be further cooled and prepared for the next steps. Once fully cooled, each casting is fed into a specialized trim machine to carefully remove any excess aluminum along the edges. Any scrap metal created through this process is collected and recycled. Additionally, trained craftsmen individually inspect each casting and utilize specialized tools designed to work with cast aluminum to hand trim along the edges of each casting. A final sanding using a belt sander provides a smoother finished edge on each casting. MHP bottom castings receive automated hole drilling for side shelf brackets, hinge pivot points, warming rack, and control panel mountings. Each casting is then loaded into an automatic hole punching machine to finish up bottom openings. To ensure a quality finish that lasts, the castings are first sent in for shot blasting. This process etches the surface of the casting, preparing it for optimal adhesion of the powder coating. Castings are then hung for chemical pretreatment and powder coat application. This process both cleans and improves the bonding of the powder to the casting. Excess chemicals are removed with dry air, then proceed into the furnace for high heat drying. Each individual casting is now ready for a hand-applied dry powder coating, done with an electrostatic gun. Powder coating provides a long-lasting and durable hard finish that is more resistant against scratches, chipping, wear, and fading. Powder coating is also better for the environment, as it does not contain any solvents and only releases very negligible amounts of VOCs, if any, within the atmosphere. Once powder coating is complete, the casting continues down the line for quality inspections. The casting is then heated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, melting the powder into a uniform film and then cooled to form a hard coating. The end result is a long-lasting outdoor cooking appliance that will have you serving up mouth-watering food for friends and family for years to come. MHP continues to be eco-conscious by building products that withstand the elements, and we are dedicated to using recyclable materials and packaging.